Welcome family, this is the Velvet Locks with another weight loss update video for you today. Okay, yes, your girl has been busy and I have been maintaining what I've lost. Now, I have bumped into something that has been working on that pooch area that I've been talking to y'all about. This really has been changing the game for me. Not only have I been melting the fat in my pooch, my belly area, but it really helps you to go. You're going to be going. Okay, this is going to give you such a burn. This is going to give you, this is going to boost your metabolism. This is going to do a lot for your body and it's wonderful. I just started using this week and already I'm feeling a difference in my stomach area. It's flattening down. But if you're trying to really get rid of that stomach, try this drink for at least a month. And you're going to see a difference in your stomach. You're going to see a difference in your stomach area. And you're going to feel the burn. You're going to feel the heat from this drink, okay? I'm going to also show you exactly how I prepare it. You can do it one or two ways. You can either prepare it hot or you can drink it cold. But like I said, this is really going to do it for you. So let's go in the kitchen so I can show you exactly how to mix this drink. Okay, so here we go now, you guys. What you're going to need for this, to mix this drink, of course, you're going to need your water. All right, so I'm going to pour my hot water into my cup right now. You could either have this hot or cold. It's to your liking, okay? Next, I'm going to put in, okay, this is my turmeric powder, and I'm going to put 1/4 teaspoon of that in here. Now, you can use this, but this is optional, okay? Next is my ginger powder, okay, and I'm going to also use 1/4 teaspoon of that as well. Next, I'm going to use a pinch or dash of cayenne pepper. Okay, my cayenne pepper. And there it is. Now, I like to use either my lemon juice or my lime juice. I didn't have any real lemon juice, so I'm using the bottled lime juice right now. And it's not 100%, but you know, for the sake of the video, let's just pretend. You could put 1 to 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. It's to your liking. Now, I really don't recommend honey because you're putting lemons and stuff in there, so it may not give it a nice taste. But that's it. This is it. And what I recommend that you do when you drink this is drink it with a straw because of the lemons or the lime juice that you might be using. Yes, and also for the turmeric, because you don't want that yellow powder to really get caught up in your teeth. All right, and that's it, you guys. This is a powerful drink. You're going to drink this 1 to 3 times a day. That's all up to you. If you want to do it in the morning and then before bedtime, that's good too, but you're going to feel the burn. And I suggest at least 3 times for the day that you would drink this, if you can. But if not, the mornings is good, and if you want to do it right before bedtime, that's good too. All right, so thank you for joining me on this wonderful video, and don't forget, like, comment, subscribe down below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Hey fam, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that notification bell right next to it, so this way you will know when I'm uploading another video. So don't forget, hit the subscribe button, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that notification bell so you will not miss another one of these type of videos. So let's get started.